Hello everyone. So today we are going to see a JavaScript interview question named two numbers sum. So in this problem we will be given an array and a target sum. We need to find which two numbers in the given array sums up to get the target sum. So for example, in this given array we have 1 and we have 5 which sums up together to form 6. Similarly we have 4 and 2. So it is enough to return only one possible solution, like one possible answer for this. And the first solution what comes to our mind will be, we will be taking every number in the given array and we will be adding with every other number, which will give the correct solution. So in this, what the bad thing is that we have to loop the given array twice. It will be of time complexity n square, which means it will take more time to run if it is a big array. For smaller arrays, this won't matter, but if it goes to a bigger number, this will be costlier operation. Optimal solution for this problem will be using a method called two-pointer solution. So in the two-pointer solution, we will be taking two variables basically. So we can name this as left and right. And in this method, we will be sorting the given array and we will be placing the left pointer at the first position and the right pointer at the last position. And left will be here and the right will be here. The left is the least value and the right is the greatest value. Now we will be summing values at the given array in the position of the left and right pointers. 1, which is at the left position in the given array, plus 9, which is at the right position of the given array, 9. So this equals 10. So this value is greater than the given target sum. So now we need to go closer to the target sum, which means we need to reduce the sum value. If we want to reduce the sum value, we need to reduce the values which we are summing up together. If we want to reduce the values, we need to reduce the number greater between left and right. So we know right will be always greater. If we reduce the right value, it will help us to go closer to the given sum. Now we reduce the right value. So if the value is greater than the target sum, we will be increasing the left value because left value is the least value. If we keep doing this, we will be reducing the value one by one here. And once we come to the correct assigned solution, we will be returning the numbers at the left and right positions. And here we have 1 plus 5, which gives 6. And this is the target sum. So we will be returning 1 and 5. Let's see in the code how it works. And we will be taking numbers array and target sum. As I said, for the two-pointer solution, we need to sort the given array. So this gives the sorted array. And once after we sort, we need to create two pointers. And right will take the last position in the given array. So it will be gives the last position of the given sorted array. And now we need to start the loop. For this condition will come later, I'll tell you. And here we need to check the current sum. We have three conditions here. If current sum is equal to the target sum, the current sum is greater than target sum, current sum is lesser than the target sum. If it is equal, you guessed it right, we will be simply returning the values. That's it. In this case, if the current sum is greater than the target sum, we need to reduce the sum value to get closer to the target sum. In this case, we need to reduce the right value. Else if current sum is lesser than the target sum. If the current sum is lesser, we need to increase the sum value, which means we need to increase the values which we are summing. So left is at the which will be holding the less value. So if we increase the left position, we will get the sum which is higher than the earlier sum. Okay, now we need to write the condition for while. What would be the while condition in the loop to stop the loop? Let's say the target sum is minus 5. So there is no possible way of getting minus 5 with the given array. So we will be checking 10 is greater than -5. So we will try to reduce a right value one by one to go closer to the target sum. So at a point we will be keep reducing it, and we will come to a position where left and right value will be equal, and there is no use of increasing the values further than, because if we increase further the values, we will go out of array, which means there won't be any elements. We'll go out of bounds, or we will be repeating the calculation again. So left value should be less than right value. So there is no possibility of getting the target sum with a given set of numbers. So we'll simply return empty array. So let's test our solution. I have this plugin installed. Let's see. Yes, we've got 1,5. Here we have only one loop, so there is no nested loop. So this will take order of n. So the time complexity will be order of n. So it is linear. So this is much faster than n square.